Hey yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Dinky back again with another video. I might need to step out from the main road. Anyways, today's vlog is going to be me going to the home game of the champions, of the world champions, Washington Nationals. I've been struggling to get a ticket to go to a baseball game since 2019, and then obviously the COVID happened. They became the champions, and now I'm finally here. I have been to a baseball game a couple of times when I was in USC, so this is the first time I'm here in DC, so who better to watch than the champions, right? Alright, we'll see you guys from the stadium. Alright, I'm 4 minutes early. Perfect timing. Just need to get my tickets out and get in. Alright, so my seats are somewhere up, I don't know where exactly, but the top, either there or over there. I don't know how to go there. There's barely anyone sitting there. Okay, there are people there. But also at the same time, there are a lot of people like hanging out over here. And actually this is a much better view than it is gonna be over there. This place smells so much like ketchup, because there's so much ketchup everywhere. I'm gonna go get some aerial view and hopefully I'm going in the right direction. Oh bloody hell, there was an escalator that I could have taken, but now I'm climbing all these ramps. I'm gonna take the escalator from now on. This is a good view. Oh, that's I think the first pitch. This yellow thing is kind of bothering. I feel like there is a significance of this yellow thing. I just don't remember. Hey, look, the monument. Checking the escalator. Alright, so I think it's pretty much de-seating. Like the sun isn't on my face, shadow's not here, the view is good. I can wear my glasses and see that what's happening actually. And then there's a scoreboard over there, and there's also all the restaurants and stuff over there. We were initially over there, and now we are over here, so it's good. But I thought my seats were over there, but then someone told me to come this side. Either ways, I'm having fun. It's still 0-0 by the way, I mean 0-0. Ooh, that was a strike one.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, there was actually a home run! Oh my god, and I actually was paying attention. The guy whacked it all the way till there, like over there. Unreal! Oh my god, that was so dope! I mean, like, it was like getting a 6, but still, you know. Man, I wish I was filming that. I literally just switched off my camera. I'm like, nah, that's gonna happen for the time being, and then boom, a home run. Alright, so a lot of people have DM'd me on Instagram on my story saying, could you explain baseball to me? And here we go. I'm gonna give a crash course on baseball. Again, I might not be saying everything with 100% accuracy, but it's just like a brief overview of what baseball is. So let's get back to the pitch. Right, so you can see over here is a baseball pitch. There are 4 dots you can see on the brown pavement within the baseball pitch. One is where the guy's batting, and then there are 3 other squares. So basically, if a player completes a run from here to there, and there to there, and there to there, and then there to there, that is the home base where the player is batting. So if someone completes the whole run, like the whole one, like 4 sides, they get a home run, which is like 1 run. I mean, there's another way to get runs is to like hit the ball outside the stadium, which just happened a few minutes back. If you do that, you get 1 run, and finally at the end of the 9 innings, whoever has the most runs wins the game. Now there are certain things to look forward to, especially from the pitcher's point of view. Pitcher is like bowling in cricket. If the batsman missed 3 times, the person is out, and in each innings you get like 3 wickets, I would say. He has to hit the bat regardless. So what I mean is that, so when the player balls, if he misses it, it's strike 1, and if he does 3 misses, he's out. He's also out if he hits behind. It's also like an out. But if he keeps hitting behind for as long as he wants, he'll not get out because it'll count as a strike. But as long as he hits back, he wouldn't get out because that's allowed. So like what I'm trying to say is that like if he hits the ball back in the first 2 pitches, he gets 2 strikes. The third time he again hits the ball back, it doesn't matter because he can still play on, unless if he gets out by another way. Another way he can get out is like in cricket. So yeah, you guys can see that now the players have changed because Nationals, who are batting recently right now, they finished up their 3 wickets, so they had to switch sides. So for example, if he's running from here to there and the player throws the ball to the that side or this side, whichever side the players are running, that person gets out. It is kind of interesting that sometimes, oh, that's a good shot. But see, that's how someone can get out. He got called for it, an easy catch. There you go. So he's out. Now they have 2 more wickets, I would say, in this innings. Oh no. Alright, so they have 2 outs and 2 strikes. So if he gets out right now, then the innings is switched. That means Nationals is gonna bat next. Well, since he hit it back, he gets another try.
Here, you gotta look because you're the one that said the end.
Oh, strike. Oh, that's a good shot. That's a good shot. I mean, see the people are running, but if they drop, which they didn't. Oh god, that was so close, but no runs. Oh my god, that was another home run. Another home run, and I think it's 2-0. But what a hit! What a bloody hit! Well, so they got 2 runs for that because not only was that a home run, but they also completed a run because there was a guy who took a shot and then got over there, and then he completed the run whilst the ball was actually clearing the path. It's 2 runs. So we're leading 3-0 in the 7th innings. Alright, so we're in the 8th innings. The score is 3-1. Pittsburgh Pirates took a 1. Like they completed a home run. They completed a home run. Like they ran the 4 squared. So it's 3-1 now. Still quite close, 3-1. But I feel like Nationals have got the win. Alright, down to the last innings. Pittsburgh had to go strong. So hoping that they attack with venom. If they don't score any runs, I think there's no need for Nationals to bat. Alright, the last strike. And that's it, game over. Let's go, wrap it up. Oh, still going strong. Oh my gosh. Can they? Nah, surely not, right? Oh no. Alright. Game, set, and match. Wow, how amazing it is to be back inside stadiums. I mean, I was supposed to be at the Euro Cup with Omar, but you know what, I take anything that I can get after the pandemic. So it's good to be back at a stadium. It's good to be back seeing the team that you support win. So first of all, this is my first MLB game and I'm so glad that Nationals won. It was quite convincing. Got to see 2 home runs, got to see a base run as well. I hope you guys liked the explanation of baseball. I might not be the most expert in this sport, but hey, I know the rules and hopefully you guys did get something out of it. It is quite an interesting sport and I might come back again hopefully soon because I did enjoy my time over here. Even though it was like 3 hours long, I felt like it was really fast. And one thing I want to give a hats off to, like let's say American sports, is that you know what, these guys do facilities like anything. The Wi-Fi was really fast, the food is splendid. Like I remember going to the Russia World Cup and even at Old Trafford, food that you get over there is like canteen food, but whereas over here in America you do get like a decent quality food. Not just like the Shake Shacks and the Chick-fil-A's, but also like the regular small businesses. They produce really good food that is quite popular, that you would want to come back to the stadium to have the food. And yeah, in terms of the sport, it was great to see a good performance, I think, and always good to be around fans as well. Baseball is more like a family sport and you could see a lot of families, but overall I had a great time. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want to see more of my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna head home through the cicada forest, and until then, take care guys. Arrivederci, paka paka, das vidania. Take care.